I'm Ron from Coleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite. Go have a look on the Suite App Marketplace or just visit coleno.com. Today, I will walk you through the process of applying a credit memo to an open invoice in NetSuite. You first navigate to Transaction, Sales, Create Invoices, List. So on this page, on the left-hand side, you select the invoice you want to credit. I click on View. Once on this page, you can see the accept payment that you might be used to, but next to it you have a button credit that you can click on. You can also click on the like button under this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Once you're here, you fill in the details as usual for the credit memo. I have a video explaining how to do it, and then you save it and the invoice will be credited. You can see in the apply that it's been pre-selected for you on the correct invoice. To review how credits were applied, you would go to the credit memo payment and check the apply or credits applied subtabs. Make sure to subscribe for more NetSuite tips, and please check the comment sections for an exclusive NetSuite newsletter. Bye bye.